We're going to the beach. All I can think is that song from Miss Rachel. No, it's just so funny. But yeah, we've got a baby in the back here and Jem. Oh, and I thought I would take you guys day in the life because we did this a year ago, literally on the civic holiday. So I decided, why not do it again? So a year later, let's have some fun and go to the beach.
Heck yeah.
What are you thinking? Oh, happy girl. Come on. Does it look like the baby wants the cupcake? I know. What does baby think?
Nom nom.
Well, she's had a lot of food already now, so. Or do we want to sit so we can have more cupcake? Yum, yum, baby. Oh, it's cold. I don't want to go in it.
The only time it wasn't cold was when we were picking the Joe.
Yeah, I know.
When you were a baby, you just rolled right in. Let's get you a little bit further up. And we'll see. Daddy will wash your hands off like this. Get used. Riley, stick her hand in here.
It worked. Riley! Oh wait, bad idea, crap. Sorry. I love walking the boardwalk. We'll just walk the boardwalk for a while.
Yeah.
Do you want to just cover Riley though?
That was hilarious. So.
Chris, look at the weenie dog. Back from the beach. How was the beach, Riley? Do you have fun? We just got a new fly swatter and she's really digging it. Do you like it, Riley? Did Jem have fun? Did Jem have fun? Yeah, Jem's tired now. She was such a good girl at the beach. We're so lucky to have such a good dog and such a good baby.
We had so much fun walking in the sand.
So much sand walking. Not really that much interested in the water though, because it was a bit windy and chilly. The water was quite chilly, right? Whoop! Good save there, baby. Yay! I wanted to show off our pretty garden so you guys could see what it looked like in the summer. And then I wanted to get going on some dinner stuff. So we like to make this tandoori cauliflower, and I found a recipe to make my own tandoori sauce. So I thought it'd be really neat to show you guys how it's actually done. I got a load of laundry up on the line this day as well. And then I wedged my camera in my spice cabinet. And you can see all the different spices that go in. We've got some garlic. We've got a whole bunch of ginger as well that went in. Like a load. And I love this little guy, this grating guy for ginger and garlic. It's so nice. This is my homemade yogurt. Don't mind how it looks. It's because I did it all in the pressure cooker and didn't put it in jars because I didn't realize it was going to thicken so much. So yeah, that's why it looks like that. We've got some lemon juice going in here. And then literally you mix all this bad boy up and you make a paste. And then you kind of brush it all over a cauliflower. It's really quite cool, let me tell you. And then once you're done mixing, this is pretty much what it looks like. Also, I love my little itty bitty whisk. It is so awesome. And yes, all of these veggies are from my garden. If you're wondering what the heck I'm going to be doing with those flowers, you'll see very soon. But I decided why not make a whole bunch of skewers with some leftover veggies and things we had. And this is what I made. It is like flour, water, and salt. You dredge the zucchini blooms in it, or any kind of squash bloom, and then you fry it up. It is so delicious and something I look forward to every summer and spring. And sometimes that's all I do with some of the blooms that are in my garden. I also made Greek potatoes. There was the oh my god, I went really, really quickly. You can see the tandoori cauliflower and all of the shish kebabs. And then I also found fava beans and put those on the grill too. I have a weird ending for this. I'm sorry, I didn't realize I didn't film anymore this day. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what your favorite thing about was from the summer. And I'll see you guys on the next video. Goodbye!